Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got...
Well, you got Damon with Premier RV. How's it going, Lou?
Of course, man. What's going on?
Jeez, just another day in paradise here.
Yeah, it's not Aloha Friday, but it's Aloha Tuesday for you, or what's going on here?
Yeah, Tiki Tuesday. How's
Tiki,
that?
oh, Tiki Tuesday.
Okay.
All right, today we have a great coach, great floor plan, 2015 Newmar Dutch Star.
3736, which is a bath and a half in a 37-foot floor plan.
Yep. It's going to have the 450 Cummins, two-stage Jake brake, right?
Yep. Freightliner chassis with independent front suspension and comfort drive.
Gotta like that. I like that comfort drive. So that's a little bit where you could stiffen up the steering a little bit.
Yep. You drove this back from where, Portland or somewhere?
I met him in Portland, yeah.
Yeah.
He's from Eastern Washington.
So you got a couple hours and the maybe longer with traffic?
Yeah. No, a little Portland traffic's always good for you, right?
Yeah.
36,000 miles, 645 miles, and we're going to be asking $189,999.
Great.
So good value, great floor plan, bath and a half, 37. This allows you to go pretty much anywhere and everywhere. I think that's what's kind of cool about this, Coach.
Yeah, they crammed a lot into this floor plan.
Yeah. What's the hitch rating for?
10,000 pounds.
Yeah, good. So you're on your A game today.
I am. Had my Dutch brothers. I'm ready.
All right, Jack, we're going to pull it up forward so you can get the viewing. The paint is in excellent condition.
Custom paint.
Everything.
Custom paint.
Custom paint?
This was a custom ordered motorhome. They picked it up at the factory, and the paint is they changed a couple of the colors.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yep.
Was that on the build sheet?
It is.
And we do have the build sheet.
We do. 360,000 new.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So good value today. All right, so we'll pull the shorty up and then I get the full viewing of the outside for you and then talk about all the pass-through bays and all the storage and stuff.
Hey, did you see Doug Beaudry's coming?
Oh.
All right.
All right.
Good morning, Doug.
There
Get ready to do a little video here.
Yeah, he's camera shy.
Oh, okay.
All right, thanks. What do you think, Damon?
Nice clean coach.
Custom paint job. Gotta like it. Like the colors.
Yeah. Good finish. No checking.
Yeah, awning's up on the roof. If we could bring it out. And as we're doing that, we could talk about how big this door is here.
It's got a wide door with a door awning.
Good steps. Tiled entry. And we'll show you, I like what they do with the steps, how they fold up.
Yeah. Very unique step cover. Keyless entry.
Yep.
Power bay door locks. I saw that was an option.
But we got an entry door awning also. This thing's gonna have everything on it, so.
Yeah, MCD shades in the cockpit. Slides are flush. 100 gallons of fuel with dual fills.
But look at the coverage with the awning, so that's a nice feature, huh?
It is.
A little LED light action. All off the remote.
Well, let's get into these bays, Lou.
Yeah. We got bay door locks inside.
Yep. Power bay door locks.
I think this was the optional, you could have put like the little freezer, refrigerator if you want. But good storage. I'd rather have the storage, but.
Yeah, it's got the prep for it up there, so if you want to put one in here, there is power.
It'd be easy to do it.
And then you have some storage here, pass through on the right side, the back of the Oasis, I'm guessing, in this 3/4 bay, we'll call it.
Pretty good height in there too.
Yes, I like the height.
Speaking of height, what's the exterior height?
12.7.
12.7.
Yeah.
And the length is?
37.10.
Yep. So if you're looking for a shorty, this is a great coach. Maneuverability is outstanding.
Yeah, 242 on the wheelbase, Freightliner chassis, so it'll turn sharp with the IFS. Front axle's rated at 14.6, so it's got a pretty heavy capacity. 24 on the rear axle.
So is this a 55 or a 60? I can't remember on
some of these, yeah, are 60. I'd have to look at
but
that.
Yeah, so basically it turns really, really short.
Well, you drove it back from Portland. How'd it turn?
Well, I didn't have to do a 360 or anything,
okay.
but No, I'm sure they turn really good. So.
All right.
All right, so if you want an outside TV, this would be a spot for it, huh?
Yeah, or the pegboard with tools, shelves for aerosols, cleaners.
And freshwater was
105. Yep.
65 and 45 black and gray.
Yeah.
It's a good holding tank sizes, right? More storage. This has really good storage for a 37
Pass through, huh?
footer, Yeah.
Or no, it goes back about 3/4 of the way.
Well, 3/4 is not bad.
Not bad. Yeah, that's a good deep storage bay. Depth fluid, and you can see one of the leveling jacks.
And I think you said the tires were 21?
So it's got Michelin's in the front and Continentals in the back, and they were installed early in February of 22.
Okay.
So the front will be good for 7 years, February of 29. The back, you just watch them after years 5, during 6, 7. Those are Continentals, good tire. Just watch the sidewall for checking. Chassis batteries are right here, Duracell. They look newer. We'll have to get the codes, the date codes.
It fired right up, so I'm
Yeah.
sure they're good. So that's a good indicator.
It is. They're, being a 2015, they're not original batteries or tires.
Side-mounted radiator with the big 450 Cummins ISL.
ISL, great engine.
This will get you up the hill.
Yeah, 1,200 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah, great engine.
I mean, came out in 2001. You guys started using it as a 370.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, it's been...
Look at no rust whatsoever. I mean, this coach has always been in Oregon, or I know it says Arizona, but I think they had a residence in Arizona, but also in Washington. So.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we got a good history on it,
Yeah.
which is always nice. Nice job on the back cap.
Yeah, I like that fairing and the backup camera, air intake up here on the left. Trying to suck in that cleaner air. A little storage there. Sewer hose holder.
Yeah.
So this is the back side of that last storage bay on the opposite side. So it's your power cord reel, auto transfer switch. This is probably your coax park cable, if their park has that today. Seems like everybody's going to Wi-Fi.
Yeah, a lot of Starlink lately.
And yeah, see a lot of those. And the old plumbing bay. So it's got a water hose reel on the right, whole house water filter, black tank rinse. Yeah, winterizing kit, outside shower. Looks good.
Yeah.
There's the Oasis,
50,000 BTUs. That's your primary heating system.
diesel or electric. This will be your pass-through storage bay.
And your house batteries.
Yeah, looks like there is 4 of those on a slide tray, 6 volt.
And they look new too. So
They do.
yeah, super clean though, boy. 32 gallons.
32 gallons of propane. No rust on that tank. Looks really nice. That bay gets a lot of debris from the tires, so that's one of the first ones to start rusting if it's in that east salty road condition.
Yeah, definitely fits our criteria. It's a very clean coach.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we got a little pull out here for the generator. Let's see how many hours on this thing.
You got exhaust for the generator and Oasis up here.
Yeah. What do
Boy,
we have?
that
I
is
think it
like
was
new.
600 hours or something crazy. Actually, I take that back. 154 hours.
Wow.
That's like brand new. You know, a lot of these people, they're not dry campers. They turn the generator on if it's really hot out and you're driving in really hot climates. But boy, look how clean that is though, Damon, huh?
It is. It's was serviced in May of 25, so he stayed up on that. We got the Hadley air horns on the right. That fuel filter is for the Oasis.
Yep.
So it's easy to get to. Windshield washer fluid down there, and
Yep.
then your HWH hydraulic jacks pump on the left.
Little air chuck here.
Yep. Very nice.
Boy, everything looks good. The windshield's in great condition. Side view cameras. It's got lots of features. They drive really well, and it's short, so that's in high demand right now. It seems like anything under 40 feet sells pretty quick. So
They are selling fast.
all right, so we'll go inside real quick. All right.
Let's do it.
All right, Damon, made it inside. It's beautiful, huh?
It is full tile coach, 3710 overall length.
Yeah, good floor plan, 37 feet with, a bath and a half.
Yep.
Hard to find, I bet. So,
Yeah.
I like what they did here. They have a little TV lift here,
Mm-hmm.
and they made it into a little workstation. So that's always nice to have.
Yeah, very nice. Got the caramel glazed cherry cabinets.
Yeah.
Nice backsplash tile. Deep kitchen counter too, huh?
Yeah, yeah. No, they do a nice job with the cabinets. It looks really cool. We got a hide-a-bed here, and we have a dinette booth action, which I really like.
Euro dinette is what Newmar calls that.
Very comfortable. So yeah, no, that really good colors inside.
These cab seats look like they're brand new, like no one's ever sat in them. Right?
Yeah, no,
They're beautiful.
yeah, really good condition, excellent condition. Nice dash. We talked a little bit about the comfort steer. That's a really nice feature on these Newmars.
Got a little over 36,000 miles. Storage there. Adjustable pedals. Backup camera. Right here. All your shade switches are down here. So you have a sun visor for sunscreen. And then a total privacy at night. Power drops all the way down.
Looks like a little HWH leveling system with jacks.
HWH auto leveling.
It's all computerized.
Got all the AV equipments up here. Your stereo receiver by Sony, Winegard Auto Traveler, Dish Network system already installed.
Nice. Yep.
And just some storage up here.
Yep. Slide rope controls are in the overhead there. Comfort control right here. So everything's very easy to get to, which is nice. A little awning remote. I like that, having that there.
This has two 15,000 BTU heat pumps also, which was an option. So
Yep. So a good sized kitchen for a 37-footer. Nice drawer space underneath here. We're going to have a 3-burner cooktop. I like what they do here with the little hinge action.
well, this one's got a Corian sink.
Yeah. Boy, she hasn't cleaned this coach, but boy, there's not going to be much to clean on this one, is there?
No, just a little bit here and there, but overall pretty nice. Look at the way they backlit these soffits. Got a rollout up here. Real deep storage. Newmar prints their weights also, so cargo carrying capacity is 6,511 pounds. A little over 3 tons.
I like what they did to hide the roof airs. Nice ceiling treatment here. These have little pull downs here. Little magnets.
Yeah. So intake on the right with the filters. And
Easy
then,
to change those out. So
yeah, exhaust on the left. They did an equal system, so for every intake there's an exhaust which makes them really quiet.
Very quiet.
Yeah.
And really good insulation values on their coaches, on the ceiling and everything else.
What do we got in the ceiling for
I have no
values?
idea, but I know it's really good.
R24.
I was going to say R20, but is it really R20?
R24 on the roof, R11 on their sidewalls, and R16 on their floors.
Boy, you really did your homework. Good job, Damon.
Newmar. Yeah.
All right, I'll buy you lunch today.
Okay,
All right,
deal.
you earn it. All right, so a lot of nice lighting controls here.
Yeah, they got their own IntelliTech system. USB ports right there by the booth. And they put those in the bedroom also on Newmar.
And this coach was ordered with a regular, Norcold electric gas refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
Some people might want to go to electric, which we could do that.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be some modification probably done to the pantry area.
Yeah.
To get some width and
Yeah.
probably lose that because of the height.
Yeah. Probably end up with one of those doors for pantry. So you still have a pantry left.
Yeah.
Side by side in.
We could creatively come up with something pretty nice. But some people just want, if they dry camp and stuff, they might want the resident, not a residential refrigerator, but the RV
The
style.
Norcold, yeah. And the storage.
They just draw a little bit less amperage, and then you got the bigger pantry. So
We got our half bath right here, Jack. It's got a porcelain toilet. There's some good storage down there by the toilet and fantastic fan in the ceiling.
And then back here, got a queen size bed. The joy of the journey is in the ride.
I like it. Huh.
Good storage underneath here. Oh, there is a couple folding chairs.
And a table leaf.
And
how about that?
So that's nice for the computer workstation up there.
Yep. It's got a really comfortable, look at this mattress. It's memory foam.
Yeah. Looks like it's new too. So we got a little storage here, some hanging, him and hers.
These MCD shades on all the windows, so total privacy, and then your sunscreen. Good sized drawers.
Small step up back here to the back bathroom. You got a stacked washer dryer. And then on this side, you got some really nice storage here also. More hanging. Good size shower. Yeah, super clean, don't you think, Damon?
It is. I really like how the tile goes all the way around the bed and the whole bedroom. I mean, the only carpet is just in this slide out. And that's because it's a flat floor slide out, so they need this little flap to hide that transition, but everything else is tile.
Yeah, overall condition, give this a really high score, extremely clean. Why buy new when you buy a nice pre-owned coach?
Yeah.
At a good price that's been well maintained and taken care of. So
$360 new and $189 today.
Definitely fits our criteria, so we're picky, but this one is definitely a clean one. So thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button.
It's free. Thanks.